Bush you outside your head, boy. Say no. All right, what's up, y'all? Quick trade review. Going over what I did today. We're gonna get straight to the point. Um, First things first. Today was a pretty, pretty good day to trade. Even though it was a little sloppy at the open, but I did post a full live trade walkthrough. You can see how I traded these two setups. Like right then, like during the market open, and then you'll see like how I what I was predicting, what I was anticipating, how I managed the trade, how like, just basically top to bottom how I did everything. But here we're just gonna get straight to the point. But basically, first thing I saw when the market was open, so first of all, market opens right here, boom, right here 9:30, the hell drops. We had these two pools of liquidity. We had this high right here, and we had buy side right here. So my thought process was okay, if we take out these swing highs and then we start to break down, I'm gonna look for shorts. So this is exactly what we did. We took out this high, and then we took out the second high, and then since it was like it was pretty volatile, but it was just sloppy. So I dropped down to the 15 second. Where is we at? Boom. So I dropped down to the 15 second. We had the 15-second inversion fair value gap. So took out buy side, had a swing low, and then this is what I was watching in real time. I was seeing if these bodies will continue to respect the top half of this fair value gap. So this right here caught my interest. Then we did it again, and then we did it again. Then I finally took my entry right here. Um, And yeah, we start. I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute because I wasn't managing the trade on the 15 second. That's just where I got my entry at. Um, I was waiting for a 1 minute fair value gap.
The market is closed.
Oops, found it 410. Yeah. So yeah, once we had this leg lower, we finally created the first fair value gap. Um, and you can see we respected it and tapped right into it. Didn't close it fully, but and then had that push down. So we created this low. I want to see speed below here. We got it. Boom, smashed our target. This is London's lows. We had equal lows right here. And then we had our opening range gap. To find that out, you just go to regular trading hours, and that's where price closed yesterday compared to where price closed today. So it was this gap right here, consequent encroachment, and I go back. Boom. So this is target number one, target number two, and then we had some lows over here to target. I didn't think we would drop this much, but we ended up taking out all these lows as well. So these are from Thursday London's low. We ended up taking them there and then creating a low today. So I turn on. Oh no, I didn't trade it on here. I traded it on. So these are the trades. Got in 15-second for value gap, and then I got out at the London low, and then I wasn't in the rest of this drop, but I was watching it. If I would have had a bigger size, I did low size today because one is Friday, end of the week, and I was already up. I didn't want to risk too much, and and yeah, like we had FOMC members speaking today, so today was a risk off day. So if I would have had more size, I would have left a runner, possibly getting some of this move too, but ended up catching some of the reversal. So that was this trade right here. Let's talk about that one. So once we took out these lows, I was anticipating a reversal. So once we started displacing up, creating our fair value gap, we have this right here. Price was supported. And then we have an inversion fair value gap right here. We broke above it. The bodies were respecting the top half of it, and we have this order block as well, which ultimately sent price higher. I was targeting this high for my final trade. Right here, once we broke above it, I wanted to see retest and then tagging that high, but we ended up breaking back below. I was trailing my stop pretty aggressive on this one and got stopped in profit. right here for the second trade, and you can see for the rest of the day the market didn't really do too much. It was just consolidating. So overall on a day, like I did a great job managing all my trades, being disciplined, staying true to my trading plan and all that. So again, if you want to see it live in real time, the video is up there. I think that's gonna do it. A pretty straightforward video. Yeah, my strategy that I'm using is just waiting for highs and lows to be taken out, and then a change of direction, just trading liquidity. But that was the thought process. It is Friday, so going into the weekend. Over the weekend, I'll probably make a video on what I expect for next week, and then we can go from there. But hope you learned something from this video. This is my journey to staying disciplined. I haven't came up with a name for what I want this series to be called yet, but I'm just documenting all my trades for 2026, so I can have it down, live recorded, all my progress and like just everything that I'm doing, so I can look back at it and see what I did wrong, what I did good in, just trying to optimize myself into becoming a profitable trader. So that's gonna be it. I will see you guys in the next video, and yeah.